Did you know? Video has become the most powerful form of communication, marketing, and storytelling, and its importance continues to dominate the digital landscape with significant growth and influence observed in recent years. So if you're not using video in your marketing and business, you're missing out on massive traffic, engagement, and sales. Even though video is essential for your business, but let's be honest, not all videos work. You don't need to create boring, lifeless videos that no one watches, skips, or ignores. Instead, you need to create fun, engaging, and eye-catching cartoon and doodle videos that grab attention, keep viewers hooked, and drive real results for your business. Let me ask you, are you struggling to create engaging, high-quality cartoon and doodle videos? Spending hours on complex software but only getting mediocre results? Let's face it, creating cartoon and doodle videos are not easy as we thought. It comes with endless challenges, such as traditional animation software is expensive and complicated, hiring professional animators can cost thousands of dollars, time-consuming process, complex lip-syncing and voiceovers, limited assets and customization, slow rendering and exporting, not optimized for social media, no collaboration features, difficult to make changes, low engagement with outdated styles, lack of ready-made assets, and if you're not an expert, the learning curve is frustrating. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could skip all the hassle and create pro-quality animated videos in minutes? What if you could turn any idea into a professional quality cartoon and doodle videos in just 60 seconds without needing design skills or expensive software? Well, now you can with VidZone AI. Introducing VidZone AI, world's first AI-powered app that lets you create pro-quality cartoon and doodle videos in 100+ languages and drives massive views, traffic, sales, and leads on totally autopilot. Once you have VidZone AI, no more struggling with complex animation tools, no more spending thousands on professional animators, no more wasting time on manual editing, no more dull text-heavy videos, no more complex editing nightmares, no more struggling to make your content stand out. With VidZone AI, you can eliminate all these challenges and create stunning cartoon and doodle videos in minutes without any technical skills, expensive software, or long hours of work. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, educators, and businesses. Finally, you can generate pro-quality cartoon and doodle videos in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Log into VidZone AI. Sign into your account and access the powerful cartoon and doodle video maker. Step 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. Pick a variety of pre-made templates or create your own unique cartoon or doodle video. Step 3. Customize with drag and drop editor. Add characters, backgrounds, text, voiceovers, and animations with an easy drag and drop editor. Step 4. Share and profit. Share it directly to social media or download it in multiple formats and sell it for top dollar. It's that simple. No tech skills, no animation experience, just stunning videos in seconds at your fingertips. Using the power of artificial intelligence, VidZone AI does all the hard work for you. Simply, with VidZone AI, you get AI-powered video creation, turn scripts into animated videos instantly, 1,000+ ready-made assets, choose from characters, backgrounds, and effects. Pre-made templates, save time with done-for-you designs, multilingual AI voiceovers, and lip sync. Make videos in any language with perfect lip sync. Hand-drawn doodle effects, add sketch animations for a fun, engaging touch. HD and 4K video exports, get crisp, professional quality videos. Social media integration, one-click publishing to YouTube, Facebook, and more. Cloud-based platform, no downloads, work from anywhere. One-time payment, no monthly fees, own it for life. This is next-level video creation and it's designed for you. VidZone AI works for anyone. YouTube creators make viral videos effortlessly. Marketers and business owners boost engagement and sales. Educators and coaches create fun interactive lessons. Freelancers and agencies sell high-quality animations to clients. No matter your niche, VidZone AI helps you stand out. Normally, creating animated videos costs thousands, requires professional skills, and takes hours or even days to complete. But now you can create stunning animations in minutes, no expertise needed. For a limited time, you can access VidZone AI for an unbeatable low one-time fee. Plus, you'll also grab these exclusive bonuses for free if you act now. 10,000+ stock assets worth $497, 100+ ready-made video templates worth $497, YouTube Growth Masterclass worth $497, Social Media Traffic Booster Guide worth $497, VIP Priority Support and Training worth $497. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. So, ready to create stunning cartoon and doodle videos in just 60 seconds? Click the link below and start using VidZone AI today. Still on the fence? No problem. VidZone AI comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. In case you're not satisfied with VidZone AI, or if you just change your mind, we'll refund every penny back to you. Click the button below to grab VidZone AI now and start creating viral animated videos today. Don't wait. This exclusive offer expires soon. Stop wasting time on expensive software and complex tools. Let VidZone AI do all the work for you. Join thousands of happy creators who are already making viral videos with ease. Click the button below and get instant access to VidZone AI today.